Yesterday's unexpected tilting of the International Space Station was caused by a software glitch, according to Russian space agency Roscosmos. A new Russian module dubbed Nauka arrived at the space station Thursday morning, July 29. In development for more than a decade, Nauka is designed to host science experiments, anchor visiting vehicles, and serve as a gateway for spacewalks. However, while the module's arrival appeared to go smoothly, about 3 hours after docking, the module unexpectedly began firing its thrusters in an incident that caused the space station to tilt from its typical position for about 45 minutes in what engineers call a loss of attitude control. Due to a short-term software failure, a direct command was mistakenly implemented to turn on the module's engines for withdrawal, which led to some modification of the orientation of the complex as a whole, Roscosmos officials wrote in a statement published on Friday, July 30. At the moment, the station is in its normal orientation. All the ISS, International Space Station, and the multipurpose laboratory module, Nauka, systems are operating normally, Roscosmos officials noted. The crew is now busy balancing the pressure in the Nauka module. This is a rather lengthy procedure, because the total volume of the module is about 70 cubic meters. In the afternoon, the crew will open the hatches, enter the module, turn on the necessary means of purifying the atmosphere, and begin normal regular work.